In this evening's edition of the Health Report, Shamela Mitchell looks at schizophrenia. One local expert says the condition is quite common among the young population. However, it is preventable.
The most established forms of mental illness in Jamaica is schizophrenia. Consultant psychiatrist Dr. Jeffrey Walcott says at least 1.5% of the Jamaican population will experience some form of the condition.
Schizophrenia is a thought disorder. It's a disorder of thought processing and thought content. In other words, the person's ability to process reality is impaired, so they have erroneous information being registered in the brain, so things like hallucinations, hearing voices, seeing things, and then the actual content that they have is also erroneous, so they have delusions, paranoid thinking. These are fixed false beliefs, not in keeping with the social context or the reality of the situation around them.
Dr. Walcott says anyone can be affected. However, the most common age range is between 15 to 25.
One of the theories is that what you're actually seeing is stress being placed on the prefrontal cortex at that age. So in other words, young people are now developing their prefrontal cortex, and they are now moving into a social environment where they have to act with autonomy. And that's the area of the brain that has the dysfunction, the prefrontal cortex area. And so once you add stress to that area, then you start to see the deficits showing itself up. So that's one of the theories as to why it comes up at that age.
Dr. Walcott says the condition can be treated with medication. However, it is also preventable.
And one of the things that we've clearly outlined is that once you have a supportive, emotionally engaging environment for children to grow up in, where we ameliorate psychological trauma, we're able to provide stability, consistency in care and nurturing, that you actually can impact the onset or even the prevalence of the disorder in patients who are even genetically predisposed.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Mitchell wishing you good health.